I want to come out with all of this I have inside of me. And my first plan of the year is to show my fans and all the people outside what I have inside of me. And so from now on, I'm gonna keep on working. My thing for 2026 still is to become one of the most dangerous Afrikaans artists, but not in different ways, in specifieke maniere, man. Like, ik kan niet veel te veel gee nie, maar die is wat ek vir julle gee. Stay tuned, man. Alles wat ek hier binne het, kon nog heeltyd uit. That's what it is.
Aware, bro. Aware. For me, I'm feeling the vibes, my bro, and I will keep tuning into your music because I felt something when I listened to your music. I won't lie. So, like, I really want us all to catch up on this guy's music because this guy means something. As you can also hear from him, he's speaking from heart, and that's art for me. Okay, getting further, I'd want to ask my guy, so like we can all kind of follow about how many projects do you have as an artist, or how many times have you like dropped music? Can you take us through that?
For this year, I have dropped a EP, seven songs, 7 tracks, and is an Afrikaans musician. I have up to 49 tracks, but I didn't release some of them. So for you guys, go to Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, any social media platform. Go and search Mega the Finest, Mr. Big 6875. Hit the follow button, subscribe to stay tuned. This will be hard. This gonna be tops this year. So go and hit the follow button. I have a lot of music who is coming. Bye.
Shout out to Mr. Peak 6875 on his first ever acapella pod scene. Yeah, I'd say. So like this is the first day of shooting this podcast. And I got you more artists coming through from Titorian 6875, and we're about to put the Kasi all the way up on the map. So like we're coming for all. So like third question for my guy, me bro. This I'm gonna ask you is some sort of a tricky question, but then I want to ask you, me bro, can you freestyle?
You know,
you freestyle?
I'm a rapper.
Yeah.
I told myself, nah, I want to be a rapper. So a rapper can do anything, most man. So if you are a rapper and you can't freestyle,
Yes.
no. I'm a rapper. I can freestyle. I can do many more, much more. Appreciate it.
Cool. Like I really like appreciate how you answered the question. So yeah, my dog. I won't really say freestyle. I was just trying to follow up how you view the thing of freestyling as a music artist. So like appreciate your answer, and Machi, I say big up to you. I know you can give us more. So like I will get on with the questions. So I have this other question for you, which says, what do you want your fans to always know about you?
To all my fans, you must always know, yeah, it's a soft place in my heart for you, and it will always be like that. So always give me the love I give to you. So, as jy die liefde uit vir julle my mense, man. Ek waardeer hulle baie en ek fok my naai, man. Al die liefde wat hulle vir my gee en wys, naai, spin naby. Ek kom nog baie my mense, much love.
Aware, like I feel that picture. I feel that. I pray like your fans get to like experience this podcast. So like I pray you promote them, or maybe like keep telling them about this story so they can like follow and know about your heart. respect you. It's like I respect how you portray yourself as an artist. I really like respect your brand or your image as an artist, and like I forever like appreciate this moment we're having right now as you the first artist to be on Acapella Pod, and your approach was very much lead on of like asking to be on the show. Like I really loved your approach. So like I pray you stay big on that, my bro. Then uh, so like I have this personal question. I see it in your eyes, yeah, bro. I see how deep you want this and how much you want this, to push this music thing. So like, are you willing to stick deep in this, like in this investing and all, like taking out money and the grind or the hustle? You know, if, like taking sacrifices or making sacrifices to be a big artist one day.
Like, can I maybe reply in Afrikaans?
Oh yeah.
Ja, ik luister wat ze van mij vooraan, hè. En mijn hartse begeerte is niet om beter te bekomen.
Oh yeah.
I want the best out of myself. So, ik moet stick to the code. Keep on going. Hustle and grind. Hij is in nummer.
Oh yeah.
Maar voor nou, nee, ik kan niet uit. I must. Is een moet. Dat dus nou moet gezien worden.
Oh yeah.
En voor alle andere artists wat nog moet komen. Onthou net, as baie buite wat luister na ons en die ding is die, kraag weer gooi nie. Keep on going. Keep on going. Hy sê woord.
I feel you, my guy. I feel you big time. I pray. Nani, I was able to get on the podcast. I've been speaking Afrikaans and mixing the language, but then none of us able to get on the podcast. I know mostly was expecting Xhosa trap vibes on this podcast, but this one is for my cars. I'm taking everyone up, everyone with me in a way, and I'm also with them, artist of Ekaslam album. So this is the first episode of Acapella Pod, and we're taking this shit to the top, my bros. I pray y'all pull up to the podcast, or y'all show love to the podcast. Yeah. So like we can show also other hosts out there that we do actually have the talent and we know how to actually navigate the game in a way. And I wouldn't be specific on that because life is all about learning. So yeah, we closing the podcast. But yeah, my bro, like I really appreciate your consistency in a way of being part of the podcast. So yeah, as this is the Acapella Pod, and you're the first artist, anything that this means to you, also, can you hit us with a solid acapella so like we can close today's show in a way? No beat, just a acapella. Then after you hit the acapella, we play this song we are out here from promoting because actually this Acapella podcast is for promoting your newest song or your upcoming song. So you should speak about the song Feelings first, the song we're going to play. You should speak about feelings first, then you hit us with a solid acapella and answer what does this moment means to you being the first artist on this podcast.
Okay guys, feelings now. Feelings is emotional song. It's street vibe, hustling, and grind. You know what I mean? Like, I talk about the reality. Stuff young girls going through in we as adults, you know? Like, getting into drugs in, you know, street vibes in. I'm busy with also a deep emotional track in this is straight reality. Like in feelings I've talked about reality also. But not that deep. It's stuff that boys do during the life session of the youth, the adult lifetime. But in this moment I want to tell you guys, if you listen careful to feelings, you will get the message. But I also have something new for you. very emotional. Like it's all about love, street vibe, reality, facing facts. But I'm gonna hit you up. I'm gonna hit you up with some of my latest. I'm gonna hit you up. Can I go for it?
Yeah, you can go for it.
Okay. Now this one is like was jy al so blind verliefd? Sy kon nie sy liefde voel. Die binne in jou dak staan wat sê ek met klomp pyne deel. Opie was nog nooit 'n opsie. Wie my nou met pyne deel. Ek was so verliefd by haar, was pakkie binne stukke gebreek. Ek was so verliefd, ek kon nie sien sy maak 'n moes of wat. Ek was so verliefd toe moet ek lief en ek het peace gesoek. Was so gal belief die dinge wat ek nooit belief het. Hy het dit ek trust verloof vir my, sy was dit cheap. Ek glo nie meer in liefde nie, hulle gebruik dit as jou weakness. Bitches wil jou onderkry, die nice times en alles hy. Hoe kon sy wil sê toe my was ek kan nooit genoeg van jou. Sy was net my sweetie, normally te kan vergiet van jou. Ja, dat ons beplan dat ons kinders kry en saam moet grow emotionally. Ek besluit dat dinge sal uitweek. Ek was aan die dak van die huis toe moet ek uittrek. Sy was by die huis toe wil ek uit binne in die son en week. Ja, was op my mind as ek opstaan wil ek net grind. Die hele tyd het geslat toe kom ek is nou fine. But my mense, stay tuned for this one. Stay tuned. It's Mr. Big Man. Shout out.
Tell them, where do they find you, man?
Go to TikTok, YouTube, Spotify, every platform. Mr. Big 6875. Go and hit the subscribe button, the follow button.
Please, fam.
Eat me as your friend. I know you have that love. Much love, guys.
Start bringing the fire.
Big shout out to Mega
Mega to finish, big dog.
Spun. Big shout out, Mega.
Alright.
Yeah. Much love, guys.
And we're still on the podcast. So with y'all heard the fire this guy is bringing. So like we play you his song and closing the show by this. I pray y'all feel the fire, like a cappella that was just spirit by my guy out here, Mr. Big 6875. So yeah, here's the jam. It's playing right now. Can you volume it?
Gotta give any fight I say it's big. Your blink is swooping, like feeling is sick. Trying to stay humble and I can't even do this like ooh.